Why don't seniors ride electric bikes at night? Because they're afraid they'll get charged with battery. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on electric bike for seniors. Tip 1. Understand your needs. The first major tip before picking an electric bike is to check its suitability. Seniors have unique needs concerning physical strength and flexibility. Therefore, their electric bicycle should be comfortable, easily accessible, and shouldn't strain the joints. It would be best if you considered the e-bike's design, complexity, and the riding position it offers. Tip 2. Choose the right frame size. Frame size matters a lot. If a frame is too large, it may be difficult to mount or dismount and may feel uncomfortable while riding. On the other hand, a small frame can cause back problems or make you feel cramped. It would help if you opted for an e-bike that matches your height and build. Tip 3. Consider getting a step-through frame. The traditional frame design forces the rider to swing their leg over the bike, which can be hard for a senior. A step-through frame will allow for easier mounting and dismounting of the e-bike. Tip 4. Ensure the bike has an easy-to-read display. E-bikes come with an LCD to show speed, battery life, ride mode, distance, etc. For senior riders, the display should not be complex and must have large, easy-to-read fonts. Tip 5. Consider the e-bike's weight. Heavier e-bikes are harder to handle, especially for seniors. Whether it's for maneuvering, parking, or occasional lifting, a lightweight e-bike makes it easier. Tip 6. Pay attention to the battery and its range. The battery is a vital component of an e-bike. It should have a long lifespan, but more importantly, it should be able to cover the distance you intend to travel regularly without frequent recharging. Tip 7. Prioritize comfort. Things like a comfortable saddle, an upright riding position, and adjustable handlebars make an e-bike comfortable to ride. These little comfort features can significantly improve your riding experience. Tip 8. Check the tires. Always ensure the tires are large enough to handle bumpy terrain, but don't go for full-size tires if they make the bike difficult to manage. It hugely helps to consider getting puncture-resistant tires or tires with excellent traction. Tip 9. Consider getting a low-maintenance e-bike. As a senior, you don't want to devote most of your time to maintain your e-bike. Hence, go for an e-bike model that requires little to no maintenance, with parts that are easy to replace without requiring special tools. Tip 10. Consider the power and location of the motor. A powerful motor proves more essential if you'll take on hills often, but too much power might seem uncontrollable. Additionally, the location of the motor plays a key role in how the bike handles. While rear hub motors provide more power, the mid-drive motors provide better balance. Tip 11. Consider the brand's reputation and customer support. It's important to consider how well established the e-bike's manufacturer is and whether they offer customer support. Solid manufacturers usually provide excellent customer service, offering help if you get into any issues, and have warranties to protect you.